All right, one of my hunting buddies brought me a pair of Outdoor Edge game shears. These are for cutting up a deer, lots of different animals and stuff, and he's a big time hunter. You can see these are kind of rusted up and they don't cut very well. So we're going to clean them up first. We're going to sharpen them and get them back to him. He usually pays me in meat, so I like to do things for him, do them fast. It's not hunting season yet in Texas, but we're getting close, and so I'm going to show you how I'm going to sharpen them on the twice as sharp. All right, so I got the Outdoor Edge game shears sharpened. I put a little oil on them. Still some rust coming out of them. I'm gonna spray it with some WD-40, clean the pivot area out a little bit better. So I didn't really have anything to test it with, so I found a couple pieces of leather and see if it'll cut leather real well, and it just cuts through leather like crazy. Here's a thicker piece of leather. I'm just gonna see if I can trim this up a little bit and see how it's gonna work. There we go, cuts great. So there we go, got them sharpened for the guy.